Hi guys, we're back. We just needed some bamboo sticks to put in our marshmallow men, giant jumbo marshmallow men with chocolate arms and chocolate eyes.
And
yep, you just stab it right through, Leela, and then stab it through the next one, but don't stab yourself. The wooden bamboo sticks are just a little sharp, so you might need mommy help you with that.
yeah.
Yeah. Or actually, can brother help you?
Oh, snowman, but it can't work.
It can't work? Yeah, because they keep falling apart. So we're just gonna stick it on the skewer.
I guess I'll use a skewer as a leg. My snowman's only gonna have
yeah,
one
push
leg.
down really hard. You gotta just stab it through all of them. There you go.
I hope this works.
There you go. And then you're putting that one on the top. Awesome.
Pull it.
Pull it down. You got it, girlfriend. Oh yeah. Marshmallow man.
Now it's good.
Now, let's chocolate his face up.
Chocolate his face up, baby.
Yeah, and let's see. Those are cool arms. What do you think is going to happen? I don't know if I should even like point this out, but what do you think is going to happen when we microwave the chocolate arms?
It's going to blow up.
They're probably going to melt off. But let's see. Let's just see. Who knows? Maybe it won't melt off. Maybe he'll have chocolate arms and it'll be really cool.
Tomorrow I'm going to have a celebration at school.
Yeah.
Having a festival.
Oh, that's right. You are having a festival at school. Well, Daddy's going and I'll go and it's going to be so fun.
And I eat s'mores.
And we're eating s'mores. Okay. Are you ready to microwave your guy?
Yep, I'm ready to microwave mine.
Okay. Should we try and keep him standing up?
I mean, he does have chocolate for legs. So
Oh, shoot. Okay.
Wait.
All right, that's fine. We can just microwave him laying down, I guess. Well, it won't be as easy to see him though in the microwave. I think.
Wait, what about microwaving the skewer? What's that gonna do?
It's okay to microwave wood, I think.
You think?
I'm pretty sure. I'm not positive, but I'm pretty sure that we can microwave wood. It could catch on fire. I don't know. We'll find out. We're next to a sink. It might be okay. Okay. Are you ready?
And then microwave mine, and then Leela can make hers.
Okay, let's see what it's gonna look like.
I don't tell you what about mine.
Yeah, sweetie. Oh, don't be sad. Don't be sad. We're gonna do your snacks. You take your time. Finish it up. Finish it up. We're gonna microwave his and then yours. Here, watch.
I feel like we should do it for 30 seconds.
Watch, it's gonna be so crazy. Look.
Wait, hold on. I did it for 3 minutes.
Oh my gosh, you're teasing me.
I did it for 3 minutes. I didn't mean to do that. Let's do it for 50 seconds.
Okay, you could do it for 50 seconds. Let's see what happens in 50 seconds. His little legs are hanging out there. Yeah, not much is happening. He's getting fatter.
Oh!
He's starting to puff up.
Look!
It's a little difficult to see. What's going on, buddy? What's going on? Oh my gosh! You're getting big! You're getting huge! What's going on? Ah! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! You guys don't understand how big this is!
It's a bubble!
You don't even know! You don't even know! It's huge! Oh my gosh, should we take it out?
No, let's leave it. Let's leave it.
Okay, it's got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ah! Explosion! Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let me see in front of your face. How big is that compared to your head? He's almost as big as yours.
What about mine? Yeah.
Okay, ready to put yours in? Do you want us to put some eyes on him?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's
He needs some eyes. Is that good?
Mine never had.
Did you just eat some of them?
a chocolate arm?
Oh.
Or his nose, I don't know.
Okay, there's his, I think it doesn't really matter because what's going to happen is he's going to swallow up his arms and his eyes, but we could do it anyway. Here's his little suit. Okay, is that cool?
Let's put it in the microwave.
Yes. Okay. Ah! You can't move him. Here, well, we're gonna break off his stick a little.
This is gonna just.
So we did find out something cool. Is that
You can microwave wood.
you can microwave wood.
Wait, what?
Yeah, that's exactly what we found out.
No, what else?
Well, jumbo marshmallows get really, really big in the microwave.
Like.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we
When
go.
you-
Okay,
Oh.
let's see what happens. We put crackers in there too this time. I don't even know what's gonna happen to those. Did you put crackers in yours?
No.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, 50 seconds. Oh, man. Oh, man. Here it goes. Here it goes. This is the aftermath of the other one. Let's see what happens to this guy. Let's see how big he gets. What's going
No, you can't see
on?
it
What's
now.
going on? Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. It's growing, Leela. It's growing. Hold her, Zab.
I was holding her.
Why does he have eyes coming out of his bottom? Oh my gosh. You can't even imagine. Like, this is my hand, and this is how big the marshmallows are. Holy cow.
Don't drop me.
They're done. They're done. Oh.
Bring them out, bring them
Why
out.
does he have two dots?
He's jiggling.
He's a jiggly wiggly. Oh, it's okay, little missy. Look at that. What? Holy cow. Are you going to decorate him with Skittles too? And then you're going to eat him?
I should have got way earlier.
All right, can you get us? Oh, good job, Zab. You got a spoon for you and a spoon for your sister.
Ow.
And if you want, you can take out the stick because I think you don't need the stick anymore.
Oh, jeez, it's literally buried.
Okay, let me see you take a bite, sister. Miss Leela.
Mom, you don't,
Zebby got you a spoon.
you don't even know what's
Oh my god! Oh my god! I can't even fit it in the screen. Like, what do? Do I turn it sideways? Well, okay. Whoa, okay. I'm sorry, guys. I'm dizzy. What? That's insane. Are you gonna eat it, Zab? Okay, that's craziness. Well, that's what happens when you microwave s'mores, guys.
It's stuck in my teeth.
It just kind of gets a little crazy like that. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Like, those 3 little marshmallows turned into ginormous marshmallows. So, if you only have a little bit of marshmallows left in the bag, just microwave them and then you'll have a lot.
Oh.
Right?
They're very crunchy though.
Oh, is it crunchy? Is it yummy?
I can't get it off the stick.
Oh my gosh, it's so big.
Get off the stick.
And this guy.
I get.
Oh, he's so cute. I love him, Leela.
Mine is just a monster now.
Let's see. Let's see. Let's turn him like this. Oh, he's adorable. All right, guys. Tell her Oh no. Oh, it's like glue. Okay, tell everybody thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
And
look at my eye. My one eye. I have it on my marshmallow.
you're so silly, Zebulon. Okay, guys, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.